So let's make a trading plan for next week. For the second week of March, the second week of March, I'm looking forward to trade the euro and the yen. Let's break down from top-down approach. So in the weekly time frame, today is Saturday and the weekly candle is a bearish one. But the last week is a doji. I can see there's a doji, a rejection around the area from the previous high. So we can temporarily say that the sellers are in stronger position. So we are looking for the short position for next week. One of the reason that confirm the bearish move, we can go back to lower time frame, to the daily time frame. We can see that I have a trend line over here. There's an uptrend on a daily time frame, and the Thursday candle has been rejected, but the Friday candle does not follow up with the bearish, with the bullish, with the wick. I can see that the candle has now breaks the trend line. So the seller are very aggressive. So looking at H4 and look at the current points, the lows are getting lower. So we can say that the main trend at the moment is a downtrend. The high is high, the high is getting lower, the high is getting lower. Yeah. There's a trend line over here. The price break the trend line but doesn't continue follow up to break the new high, so that it doesn't confirm the new trend is bullish but rather than a bearish one. For the entry, I think that because the sellers are in more favor in the early stages, in early days, so we don't have an optimal position for the selling at the moment, but we can still find an entry maybe for next week on Thursday or Wednesday. Monday usually there are a lot of fake out and the momentum is very low, so I am not expected to find an entry on early Monday. But if I do, I think that we can find we can enter a breakout strategy if the price break below the zone, the resistance zone over here, but the stop loss is very high, so it's a very risky trade. Okay, so that's it. I'm looking for the sale euro yen next week. Thank you.